In 2021, Naomi Osaka made more money than Patrick Mahomes, Tiger Woods, James Harden, and $20 million more than the next female athlete. Osaka is the highest paid female athlete ever. So, where does it come from? Insane endorsement money. $16 million in 2019, $34 million in 2020, and now $55 million in 2021. Osaka's yearly sponsorship cash has shattered records, with a growing list of over 20 brands. Her biggest purse came in 2019, switching from Adidas to Nike, bagging her $10 million a year from Nike until 2025. Osaka also cashed a seven-figure deal with Louis Vuitton, adding to a list that includes Airbnb, Tag Heuer, MasterCard, Body Armor, Levi's, Beats by Dre, Google, and more. And that doesn't even include tennis. Adding a cool $5 million in prize money in 2021, she raked in $60 million total earnings over a 12-month span, with $20 million in total winnings over her entire career. Keep in mind, Naomi was already the highest paid female athlete ever in 2020. Now, she's making nearly twice that, with Roger Federer the only tennis player, men or women, to out-earn her in 2021. How does Osaka spend her record-breaking money? A $7 million Beverly Hills mansion she bought from Nick Jonas. A 4,100 square foot modern home, complete with an infinity pool, floating guest house, courtyard, and hilltop view over Los Angeles. To get around, Osaka flexes a Nissan GTR Nismo she got for free as part of her car partnership. Nissan also made 50 special Naomi Osaka edition GTRs in 2018. At a private jet she flaunted on Instagram with boyfriend rapper Cordae. And you have plenty of transportation that she uses to travel worldwide. And Naomi's fashion is much louder than her soft-spoken personality. She was a co-host for the 2021 Met Gala, has an Adium line with shirts that go for $900, and has a personal Tag Heuer watch set, the latest being an Aqua Racer that Tag made only 250 pieces of. A watch so insane that she wasn't allowed to wear it on court. Had multiple Nike collections, with everything from tennis to streetwear that sell out rapidly, Victoria's Secret endorsement, and Louis Vuitton campaign modeling as a brand ambassador. Osaka has spoken into existence her quote, "Aside from tennis, my most treasured passion is fashion." Osaka's multi-million social media following has also given her unexpected opportunities in entertainment. She has her own Netflix docuseries. Naomi Osaka was a Sports Illustrated swimsuit cover model, was featured on LeBron James's The Shop, appeared on Sesame Street, and has her own Barbie doll. There's more. She got a shout out from Chris Paul after becoming a part owner of the North Carolina Courage, a pro-US women's soccer team, started her own skincare brand Kinlo, and is invested in tons of other growing brands. But Osaka's charity work has to be her most impressive. She donated her 2021 Western and Southern Open prize money to Haiti for earthquake relief, designed masks for UNICEF COVID relief that immediately sold out, started Play Academy with Nike to increase girls' athletic involvement in Japan, Haiti, and Los Angeles, and donated her $15,000 fine from the 2021 French Open to support mental health awareness. From up-and-coming phenom to established superstar, Naomi Osaka has gone from beating her idols to significantly out-earning them. She looks to continue her lucrative explosion as one of the biggest names in all of sports.